Hi everybody. Today we're going to start on lesson 5-3 in the math book. It starts on page 311 and it is working on making equations true, making them balanced. So we're going to use the scale idea again. And on page 311 they give us two facts and they want us to balance them. So on one side we have 2 plus 5. And on the other side, we have something plus 6. Now, I'm missing something on this side, so I'm going to work on this side first. What is 2 plus 5? Well, 5, 6, 7. This side equals 7. So to keep them balanced, I need this side to equal 7. So what can I add to 6 to get to 7? 6, 7, I need to add 1. So what we're trying to do is figure out what number will keep the two facts balanced. So let's turn to page 312. Sorry, there's the bell. It says, fill in the missing number to make the equation true. 10 take away something equals 3 plus 4. Well, I don't know what's missing there, but I do know that I can find the answer to this. 3 plus 4 equals 7. So on this side, if we use our scale, again, we're going to find out that this side that we know, 3 plus 4 equals 7, so we want this side to equal 7. So 10 take away something equals 7. So I'm going to start at 7 and count up to 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. 3. 10 take away 3 will give me the balance. So here they used the markers. They found out the 7, and they used the counters and then said, okay, we're going to start at 10, count down until we get 7. 9, 8, 7. How many did I have to cross off? 3. Okay, so 3 is our missing number. All right, let's look at the guided practice. Write the missing numbers to make the equations true. Draw counters to help. So first we have to find out what this is. What is the value of this side? 5 plus 7 is 12. So now I want this side to be 12. So 10 plus what will give me 12? 10, 11, 12. 2. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. So if I wanted to do my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's my 5. Plus the 7, give me 12. Here I have 10. And then I want something to make this equal. Here's the 10. I need 2 more to make it 12. All right, this one I know 4 plus 5. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for a total of 9. All right. So over here I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now I want this to be 9. Okay, 7, 8, 9. How many more did I have to add? 3. So 9 over here is now going to equal 9 over here. All right, we're going to do the same thing over here. I'll do the first 3 problems with you, and then we'll have you stop and do the rest on your own. All right, we know that this side gives us all the information we need. 9 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So now, since this side is 13, I know I need to make this side 13. So what plus 6 will give me 13? Start at 6 and count up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers? 7. So 7 plus 6 equals 13. The two sides are balanced. Here we know everything on this side. So now I know my small number, my big number. I'm going to count up and see what my difference would be. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 7. So 14 take away 7 equals 7. Now, over here, I need to find the big number. Remember the other day when we were talking about takeaway? And we have a big number minus a small number. We're missing the big number. which means I need to put these two together to get the big number. So 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 take away 3 will give me that 7. All right, over here we know this side, 9 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This side is 13, so I want this side to be 13. What plus 8 will give me 13? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 5. All right, I want you to go ahead and stop the video, do numbers 6 through 11, and then we will check them when you are done. All right, 7 take away 3 is 4, so we want this side to be 4. 10 take away 6 equals 4. Here's the side we know about. 15 take away 10 is 5, so I want this side to be 5. 10 take away 5 gives me 5. Here's the side we know. 7 plus 4 is 11, so I want this side to be 11. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Here's the side that we know. 10 plus 2 is 12, so I want this side to be 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. Here's the side we know. 13 take away 10, is 3. So now I want this side to be 3. Now, this gets tricky. We're looking for the big number. So we're going to say 3 plus 7 gives us 10. Here's the side we know. 9 plus 1 is 10. We want this side to be 10. What plus 7 gives us 10? 3. Number 12. Carrie and Chris make telephones with paper cups and string. They take a piece of string that is 13 feet long and cut it into 2 pieces. One piece is 8 feet long. How long is the other piece of string? Write the missing number in the addition and subtraction equations. So we started with 13. We cut off 8. What's left? So we know what we're missing, the small number. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We're missing 5 feet. So if we put the 2 pieces of string together, we would have 5 feet plus 8 feet would give us 13. So the second piece was 5 feet long. All right, page 314, number 13. Kim has 14 tennis balls. Danny has 4 tennis balls. How many more tennis balls does Kim have than Danny? All right, this is where you would draw. Danny has the 4, all right? So I'm going to cross off these 4, and how many are left? If Danny has 4, and we want to know how many more, we're going to cross off one of each of theirs, and then these are all the extras left over. So 14 take away 4 gives us 10. Kim had 10 more. Ron finds 10 rocks, but drops 1 rock. Anson finds 3 rocks. How many more rocks would Anson have to find to have the same number of rocks as Ron? Whoa, all right. So he had 10, but dropped 1. Anson had 3, and we want to know how many he needs to get the same number. So this is the side we know. Let's see what he has. 10 take away 1 is 9. So what we want is 9 on this side. So 3 plus what gives us 9? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. He would need 6 more rocks to have the same number. All right, Jose has 5 red crayons and 8 blue crayons. Tasha has 10 red crayons and some blue crayons. If Tasha has the same number of crayons as Jose, how many blue crayons does she have? Tell how you know. Well, we know what Jose has. He has 5 and 8. Okay, so we know that 5 plus 8 is 13. So if they have the same number, Tasha also has to have 13. So she has 10 red, and how many blue would that leave her? 10, 11, 12, 13. So she has 3 blue. Draw an arrow to show which number will make the equation true. This is the side we know. 4 plus 7 is 11. So we want this side to be 11. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6. So 6 is the correct answer. All right, it is time for you now to do pages 315 and 316 on your own. When you're done, turn the video back on and we will check the answers. All right, so we want the missing numbers to make the equation true. So this is the side we know. 8 plus 6 is 14. So we want 7 plus something to equal 14 because we want the sums to be the same. 7 plus 7 is 14. So our missing number up here is 7. All right, over here, same thing. This is the side we know. 2 plus 4 equals 6. So we know that we want 16 take away whatever to equal 6. What do we have to take away to get to 6? 10. So our missing number was 10. Number 3, word problem. Greg has 15 hats. Tamara has 10 hats. She wants to have the same number of hats as Greg. How many more hats does Tamara need? So we know this side is 15. We don't even have to do any adding or subtracting. What do we need to do to get this side to be 15? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. She needs 5 more hats to get to 15. Layla uses the same number of counters as Frank. What number would make this equation true? Here's the side we know. 8 plus 1 is 9. So we want this side to equal 9. So start at 9, count up to 16. We would need 7. Number 5, write the missing number that makes the equation true. Use pictures or words to explain how you know. Well, first we're going to find the side that we know. 3 plus 4 equals 7. So we want this side to equal 7. Okay, what would we take away? Start at 7, count up to 8. 7, 8. We just need to take 1 away to get to 7. Number 6, draw an arrow to show which number will make the equation true. Again, we have to find the side we know. 1 plus 8 is 9, so we need this side to be 9. 4 plus what would give us 9? 5. There's our correct answer, 5. All right, please take pictures and show your teacher. Have a wonderful afternoon.